this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your deleted messages on your Android phone. So if you go on down to messages right here, and then go to your profile, there's an option under here called archived. We can go to archived. Maybe your message is saved under here and you don't realize it. So you can just tap the message, hold down on it, and then press the box with the up arrow, and this will unarchive it. So another thing is, if you did go to the delete option, it will say it's permanently deleted. So let's unarchive this now. This should be under here. If it is permanently deleted, there is still a possibility of you getting it back if you go to the top right and then go down to settings. Now on my Samsung phone, I just have manage accounts. I can just go to manage accounts and backup right here. I'll show you how to do this on your Google account. We could try restoring the data right here just on Samsung Cloud. If we have that connected on our Samsung phone, you can see I last backed this up maybe like 4 or 5 days ago. It still could have those messages in that backup file. And then we have Google Drive backup data. We could try backing it up from Google Drive. We can go to backup now. So I have it turned off for photos and videos, but my other device data is turned on. So this includes SMS, but I don't have any text messages on this phone because I don't have a SIM card. And then we could try Smart Switch 2 if we have anything on there as well. So another thing we can do is go on down to Google Services. You might have on the top right here, Google Services, or it could be under here, Google Services. Let's tap this. And then we have the option for Manage Backup right here. We could try going there to back it up, or All Services and going down under here. And there is an option under here specifically for backup, restore contacts, Google Contact Syncs. Here's backup. And this will bring us to the same spot where we just go to backup now. So if we accidentally deleted something, look for this and we should be able to back it up and sync it with our current device. So we can try going back over to messages and see if it's under there. But just look up for those specific options for backup and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.